Hello friends, welcome back to Traveling with RNS. I'm going to do a little walkthrough of our condo that we stayed in. We are room 519 at Sandcastle Condominium and Resorts. Got a real nice bathroom here, big sink, nice shower, beautiful shower. Got a detachable shower head, extra towels, pillows. They actually have a hat here, which is really nice. This is actually not a one bedroom. This is the efficiency. You got a nice queen size bed, very comfortable bed, full size kitchenette. You can full size refrigerator, freezer. You got a toaster, Keurig coffee maker, full set of utensils, TV with internet. And this is where you saw that I was videoing earlier. The back patio, you can see the beach, the pool area, very nice place. I will put a link in the description down below. So if y'all want to check out this room or any other rooms, you can choose by the rooms, and each room does have pictures of the entire room. So I want to thank y'all again for watching our videos. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you. My Whiffy and I are down in Port A at Sandcastle Condominiums, and this is a gorgeous day that we woke up to. We are on the 5th floor, room 519. There is a little bit of rain in the area. We got a 40% chance of rain today, storms today. But right now we're just relaxing out on the back patio, overlooking the pool, which is very nice. Right over here, if you look right over there, that water, that is a turtle pond. There's probably about 50 to 60 red-eared turtles in the pond. There doesn't look like there's anybody at the beach right now. I see one or two people walking compared to yesterday, but right now it's only 7:30 in the morning. So look, somebody running. That's dedication there. The humidity right now is probably about 85 to 90%. Heat index right now is 96 degrees. So I know what it's going to be like. My nephew and I today are going to go to the jetties, and we are going to be fishing. Hopefully we'll be catching some good fish. I don't care if I catch a fish. I want him to catch a fish. I've caught plenty in my lifetime, but I want him to catch a nice one. So we're going to be having fun today. We're going to be seeing some new sights. I will do a video on the jetties. Hopefully we'll get a video of him catching fish and enjoying himself. I will catch y'all up later. Well, we woke up a little bit to a nice little thunderstorm here down in Port A. So I said, I'm gonna get some good video. Let's see what we can get. Might be a little wet on your culo, honey. Feels good.
Yeah. I'm glad that Mom is sleeping.
Huh?
I'm glad that Mom is sleeping. Well, I hope so.
Wow. I'm gonna get myself on.
sitting outside with electronics in the lightning storm. You know who I feel sorry for?
No.
The people who are out deep sea fishing.
Oh,
No, I don't know if they bring them, if they come in for this, or if they just, probably they can come in.
yeah. No, the wind is kind of strong.
Huh?
The wind
Yes.
is kind of strong.
I just hope the light of it strikes the pool. So it looks like it's like off in the distance.
Yes. Wow. Do you see that?
That was cool, right?
Yeah.
My Whippy and I are so easily amused. I got 3 minutes. It's all good. You see the camera? Oh. Still at Sandcastle Condominium Resorts. Just to let y'all know, these chairs are really comfortable to sit on. We're out on the patio. It is 5:52 a.m. in the morning. We woke up to thunderstorms. So thunder, and I looked outside and said, "Ooh, this looks fun. This looks cool." I look, nobody's outside. We're the only cuckoo people here that are sitting outside looking at this. go inside, baby. Here's my lovely Whippy.
Yeah.
Smile, honey. Yeah. All this lightning, I looked at WeatherBug. That's where we get all of our weather updates. Looks like it's about 40 to 50 miles out into the Gulf. But it's got to be like a real high cloud for all the lightning that we're having. It's a good lightning show. Oh, and today is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the fathers that are out there. Hope y'all have a relaxing and enjoying day, and y'all are able to barbecue and it's not doing this in your area. But I think my Whitney and I have found our ideal room. We fell in love with this room because you see the good view of the beach, the waves, the pool, the relaxing pool that they have. They have hot tubs over here, and you can play cornhole down here on the bottom. We're on day 3 of our tour down here. There's a couple places, or probably like 2 or 3 places we want to go visit today and make videos. Yes. And we're the only cuckoo people that are out at 5 o'clock in the morning looking at the storm. I don't think it's too smart with me holding a metal selfie stick and a camera out here in a lightning storm, but the risks we take for YouTube. I hear a bird.